Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Sizofunda i-article emayelana nabantu ababanjiwe bezenza amaphoyisa. Kubalulekile lolu daba ngoba i-SAPS kufanele isilwele isithunzi sayo. Uma unenkinga kuvela iveni amaphoyisa, ithemba kuwe liyabuya ngoba abantu laba abakhona lapha ngenxa yokuthi kufuna abaseve umphakathi. Abantu laba abakhona abasebenzela umphakathi. Ngakho uma nje kuthiwa usebusuku nenkinga kuvela iveni amaphoyisa, ungamane ume emgwaqweni ngoba bona nje bebodwa bawusizo. Siyazi ukuthi amaphoyisa noma i-institution ye-SAPS isivele yangaba usizo kokugcina emphakathini. Abantu abanjengami nabanye abasawathemba amaphoyisa. Mina nje ngesingami ngiprefer i-private security company kunamaphoyisa. Mina personal ukuthi khona izinto engeke ngikwazi ukuzenza ngaphandle kwamaphoyisa, njengokuthi uma ngathi wafuna ngivula i-case ufuna ngiye kuwo lamaphoyisa, kodwa kube kunendawo eyi-private ekhokhelwa bengamane ngiye khona ngenxa ke yezizathu ezithize esizaziyo sonke. Sizobheka ke leyo article. Sizobheka lo article. Undeka kanje ngoLwesibili la ngomhla ka-14 ku-October 2025 at about 1300 hours noma ngo-1 emini eKuruleni Metropolis Department eyazwa nge-EMPD eDaveyton babambe abasolwa abasihlanu 5 yama-suspect ababalelwe eminyakeni between 28 kanye no-34 years babathwele bene-uniform yamaphoyisa SAPS. Labantu laba baphinde bazenza amaphoyisa bezama ukuhijacka kule ndawo yaseDaveyton. Umlisi ona-36 noma wesilisa ona-36 eminyaka oyi-victim, he alleges ukuthi ubeka driver ku-N12 highway then wayese epha owesifazane angamazi i-lift. As lo wesifazane engene emotweni wavinjwa ke ngaphambili imoto eVW Golf and kwehla amadoda ayigqoke ama-reflector amaphoyisa. Lapha asola khona lawa kona amaphoyisa wavele wa driver off ngoba bona bebemile. La madoda abuyela ke kule VW Golf bamgijimisa bezama ukumvimba ngaphambili njengoba bekahamba. EMPD officers uma benza umsebenzi wawo njengokujwayelekile base bebona le VW Golf i-driver ngendlela engajwayelekile noma engavumelekile izama ukungena phambi kwenye imoto, base bengenelela ke bevimba le VW bethola ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ilapho ke bathole khona ukuthi labantu bazenza amaphoyisa. Amaphoyisa athe mayebabuza imibuzo ethize, angithi iphoyisa kunekhadi efuneka leliphathe, kwathola ukuthi alikho. Babasesha ke ngoba uma bebavimba njengamaphoyisa bekufuneka nabo bakhipha ikhadi la bachasi ngamaphoyisa bafowethu sisemsebenzini nakho into esizathu esenza ukuthi sivimbe lo bhuti lo ilesi nalesi, kodwa ngokuhluleka kwabo kwenza kanjalo baboshiwe. Uyabona ukuboshwa kwalabantu kukuphunguka kobugebengu. Baningi abantu abangama-victim abababambile bangikholwa ukuthi le uniform yalamaphoyisa bayithole namhlanje. Angikholwa. Siyabonga kakhulu ku-EMPD ngomsebenzi ewenzile. Ubalekile lo msebenzi. Sizodlulela phambili.
The police had to retaliate and one suspect, the one who's lying dead here, was shot and killed, minus one problem. Permanent elimination, crime-free South Africa.
Ngiyazi ukuthi le video le ayihlangene nalolu daba esilikhuluma la, kodwa ave ngihlekisile. Yazi uma ngiyibuka asidlule phambili sithatha udaba lwesibili. Article yesibili ithi President Cyril Ramaphosa has suspended the Inspector General of Intelligence, Mr. Imtiaz Fazil, pending a decision in an investigation by Parliament's Joint Standing Committee on Intelligence into the Inspector General's conduct. The JSCI has informed President Ramaphosa that it has received a complaint on the conduct of the Inspector General and The committee will conduct an investigation in line with Section 7.4 and 7.5 of the Intelligence Service Act 40 of 1994. Section 7.5 of the Act provides that if the Inspector General is subject of an investigation by the JSCI in terms of subsection 4, he or she may be suspended by the President pending a decision in such investigation. Mr. Fazell has been suspended with immediate effect. Mangibona lolu daba ngengathuka, hayibo kaze unaphathi lini lo Inspector General we-Intelligence ngoba uRamaphosa akaxoshi umuntu, akathathi ma-decision lo baba lo. Kodwa uma nje kuthiwa khona umuntu osuspende uRamaphosa afuna wazi ukuthi usukenza into enkulu, kanti hayi umthetho othi uma kuney'nsolo asolwa ngazo funeke asuspendwe kusalindwa i-decision. So ukube nje uRamaphosa yena as upresident angeke akwazi ukuthatha isinqumo esinje. Ukuba uyakwazi ngabe wakwenza kuMinister uSenzo Mchunu, asidlulele phambili isithathu udaba lwesithathu. Phamba sifundeke le article, angeke ngikubeke lokho. Ayikho indawo engaphephanga njengendawo lapho kunozamazama khona. Indawo yozamazama indaba yozamazama ngake ngayibonela eduze. Ozamazama kunabantu abangena emgodini. Kunabantu abahlala ngaphezulu abagada laba abangena emgodini ukuze izitha zabo uma zifike idibane nalaba aqala. Kancane la kunozamazama khona kuyadutshulwa ngoba iyabangwa kwayona le ndawo lezi la kumbiwa khona igolide. Uthi omunye ukungena emgodini uhambe insuku usebenza. Mawuthi uyaphuma nje ngosuku ophuma ngalo udibane namadoda ongawazi bakukhombe ngesibhamu bakuthathele yonke lenhlabathi osuke uphume nayo. So ingakho fanele kube khona abantu abasebenza phezulu abazogada laba abangena emgodini. Laba ke baphatha inhlokohlela zezibhamu, ibhamu ungakazi uzuzibona. Futhi basebenzisana namaphoyisa ngoba amaphoyisa ayafika nsuku zonke azokoleka ishe yawo. Ngoba ngale kwalokho bazoba nenkinga. Yingakho noma kufuneka beboshwe amaphoyisa njalo mayifika lawo we-illicit mining afika abathole bengekho nsuku zonke, afika abathole bengekho. Akwenzeki ukuthi amaphoyisa afike ezosesha la kunozamazama khona afika abathole bekhona. Ngesikhathi ngangisahlala ke emkhukhwini sake sangenelwa amasosha ebusuku. Yileso sikhathi kuphela laba ngoba kwakungazi umuntu ukuthi ayeza futhi ayingahambi namaphoyisa. Ileso sikhathi la kwafika kwatholakala khona ngisho izinto abasebenza ngazo ngoba ukuba amaphoyisa ayenolwazi ayizobathiphisa labo ukuthi hey qaphelani. Athi sifundekele article. Athi SAPS Gauteng, a suspected illegal miner was arrested in Magaliesburg, West Rand District after he was found in possession of 2 AK-47 rifles and ammunition on Wednesday, 15th October, and Blaubansbergspruit in Magaliesburg. He was found in possession of 2 AK-47 rifles and 2 magazines loaded with 48 rounds of ammunition. The team also confiscated 15 tons of gold bearing material. Sithathu udaba olulandelayo lithi SAPS Hawks Gauteng, 3 alleged police murderers aged 30, 32 and 30 were arrested last night, 13 October, Eperia, Selby and Ilov Extension respectively for murder, attempted murder and armed robbery that occurred on the 8th of September 2025 in Penrose. They are appearing in court, in magistrate court, ngomsombuluko, bavele ngomsombuluko. Lezi bhamu ozibonayo zitholwe ngamaphoyisa uma be-raida besesha basebethwa le bhamu. Kanti kunendoda vele okudala ifuneka yingakho-ke bekwazile ukubabopha njengoba ubona ukuthi babulala lamaphoyisa ngoSeptember njengoba bebabopha manje. Bebe-raida ngokunye base bethola ukuthi hawu lo muntu vele okudala sibafuna naku la sibathola khona. Siyancoma kumsebenzi wamaphoyisa laba wenzile. Udaba esizolithatha manje mhlambe kuzoba udaba lokugcina elomama obulala indodana noma indodakazi yakhe. Isihloko salolu daba esizolifunda sithi woman sentenced to 23 years imprisonment for the murder of her stepdaughter. The High Court of South Africa sitting in Mbombela has today sentenced murder Clara Masinga, owner 37, a Mozambican national, to 23 years direct imprisonment for the brutal murder of her stepdaughter, Jennifer Gumbi, who was 11 years old. Masinga pleaded guilty to premeditated murder and was convicted accordingly. Masinga was in a relationship with her deceased father, Roger Gumbi, and resided with him at KwaMhlushwa, Phosaville section in the district of Malelane. On the 21st of March 2015, Masinga sent the deceased friend to fetch her from home while she walked a distance. When the girl returned, Masinga asked Jennifer to accompany her to her house, claiming that an acquaintance wished to buy her clothes. Upon arrival, Masinga called her accomplice, who remained with the child, while she went to a nearby tuck shop to buy ice cream and rat poison, Retex. Masinga and her accomplice then crushed the poison, mixed it with the ice cream before giving it to a child. Jennifer later died after consuming the poison ice cream, and her lifeless body was found dumped in the shallow ditch near the Maluti River. A thorough police investigation led to Masinga's arrest. In court, Masinga admitted that her conduct was unlawful and punishable by law. She entered into a Section 105A plea and sentence agreement with the state, which was accepted. In her plea statement. She revealed that her motive for killing the child was to spite the victim's biological mother. During sentencing proceedings, State Advocate Senzo Zindela argued that the accused killed an innocent child under the influence of another person and further desecrated the body by pouring boiled water on it to ensure the plan succeeded. He argued that the court to impose a sentence that reflects the gravity of the crime. In delivering the sentence, Judge Vukeya condemns the increasing incidence of domestic violence and killing of women and children in South Africa. The judge noted the accused killed an innocent child out of animosity towards the mother, and that no sentence could ever restore the lost life. However, the court found that compelling circumstances existed to deviate from the prescribed minimum sentence and accordingly imposed 23 years direct imprisonment. The accused was also declared unfit to possess a firearm. Ibhlungu le ndaba ekancane. Benze kahle bamgweba. Bamgweba futhi funeka lo angayitholi neparoli. Lona ibona abantu laba kuthiwa noma kuthiwa ugwaziwe wafela ejele ukujabulele lokho. Awukwazi ukubulala ingane ena 11 years ngoba uthulwa noma wayo. Hayi man, lo muntu akadeserve ukuhlala nomphakathi. Akadeserve. Beyimenzeni ingane? Futhi ingane emthatha njengoma wayo ngoba ibihlala naye. Yeah, so noma ngathi umprovoke kangakanani umama wakhona, siyazi obaby mama drama nento ezinjalo zikhona, kodwa hayi ukuthi akhiphe lokho lalelo laka lakhe alikhiphele enganeni. Lokho nje kuyiphutha. Sibambe le video. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.